What if I told you Cadillac didn't just build a motorhome, but quietly added a feature that no other RV in the US has ever included? It's tiny, hidden in plain sight, but changes everything about how this motorhome drives. The moment I spotted it, I literally had to step back. Today, we're taking a first look at the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome, the most luxurious, fully engineered RV ever built by a major US automaker. And trust me, this is a reveal you don't want to miss. Welcome back to the channel. When I first heard rumors about Cadillac building a motorhome, I thought it was just talk. A lot of brands hype luxury RV concepts, and most never become real. But Cadillac did it. They created a fully engineered, production-ready motorhome, and after seeing the first unit up close, I can confidently say this is likely the most impressive luxury RV of the decade. In today's breakdown, we'll cover heavy checkmark exterior, heavy checkmark interior, heavy checkmark driving experience, heavy checkmark powertrain, heavy checkmark technology, heavy checkmark safety, heavy checkmark pricing. And stick around, the hidden feature I mentioned earlier will absolutely blow your mind when we get to it. At first glance, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome looks like a luxury tour bus infused with Escalade DNA. Signature Cadillac vertical LED, ice blade, lights glow sharply as the sun hits them. Panoramic windshield with subtle tint gradient frames the road like a high-end painting. Sculpted body panels, no boxy edges, give it a sleek, purposeful look. Flush-mounted windows and motorized slide-outs move silently, almost like magic. And here it is, the feature no one expected in an RV. Hidden in the roofline, Cadillac's active aero panels move with precision, reshaping airflow and keeping this 35-foot home planted at 70 miles per hour, something no other US RV can touch. I literally had to step back when I felt the difference myself. The two-tone metallic paint shimmers differently depending on the angle, perfect for cinematic shots or pulling into a scenic campground. But no matter how impressive the exterior is, I wasn't ready for what Cadillac did with the inside. Stepping in, one thing is immediately clear. This doesn't look like an RV interior. It looks like a $1 million Manhattan apartment shrunk into 240 square feet. The smell of real Cadillac leather hits you first, followed by the warm ambient LED lighting along the ceiling. Soft touch leather seating, powered reclining sofa. 55-inch OLED TV rises from a hidden cabinet, ready for entertainment. Real wood trim gives subtle luxury without being flashy. Then I found hidden storage under the sofa, something I've literally never seen in a coach under $1 million. I couldn't believe the space. The kitchen is absurdly practical, full-sized fridge, induction cooktop, convection microwave. Sleek cabinetry hides everything neatly. Then I discovered the pop-out pantry, perfect for stashing snacks or gear while rolling down the highway. Residential queen memory foam mattress, dual nightstands, built-in wardrobe. Quiet zone design reduces road noise. And the retractable bedside desk with power outlets and USB ports. Perfect for work or gaming on the road. Fiberglass shower, reliable water pressure, ample storage, porcelain toilet, all functional, luxurious, and realistic. And here's the wildest part, Cadillac tucked away one final, genius feature. Subtle, practical, but when you see it, you'll realize no RV has ever done this. Stick around, this is the moment that will blow your mind. Cadillac didn't just style the RV, they engineered it to drive exceptionally well. Modified heavy-duty truck platform, independent front suspension, rear air ride, reinforced frame with anti-roll systems. I took it around a sweeping curve at 55 miles per hour, it stayed planted, smooth, and absolutely confidence-inspiring. Even over rough roads, it glides like a luxury sedan. 6.6L gasoline V8, 400 plus HP or diesel option for more torque. Both with 10-speed automatic transmissions tuned for smooth power delivery. No gimmicks, just real-world, usable power for this size of RV. Technology is practical: digital driver display, rear-view cameras, lane-keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, trailer monitoring, central hub for lights, water, power, and slides. Optional Starlink satellite internet keeps you connected, no sci-fi gimmicks, just utility. Safety is packed: stability control, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, side impact reinforcement, and crumple zone engineering, features almost no RV brand includes. Price starts around $395,000, tops $500,000 fully loaded. But this isn't just a motorhome, it's a turnkey luxury experience engineered by Cadillac. With limited production, owning one means joining a select group of pioneers driving the most luxurious RV ever built, part of an elite club of luxury RV enthusiasts. Now I want to ask you, if Cadillac handed you the keys tonight, would you take it coast to coast, chase mountains, or park at the lake? Drop your first trip in the comments, I can't wait to read them. If you enjoyed this first look, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on notifications. We have more incredible RVs and luxury vehicles coming, and you don't want to miss what's next. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.